Hey guys, in this video we're going to take a look at how you can sort Samsung email by sender, read or unread, or start on the Samsung Galaxy S22 series. First, tap on the home button to return back to the home screen, and from the home screen swipe up to go into the app screen and open up the Samsung email app. In here, tap on the option key at the top right next to the search icon, and then tap on sort by. In here you can sort by sender, so sort by sender A to Z, or Z to A, or by read or unread. So you can sort by read or unread, and you can sort by start. So if there is any email that is set as a star, you can sort by star. And that's it. So now tap on the home button to return back to the home screen. And that is how you can sort your Samsung emails on the Samsung Galaxy S22 series. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe to my channel for more videos.